Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can delete Ring app. So let's just get started. So over here you can see this is my iOS system, or let's say iOS product. So I'm going to show you or teach you guys how you can delete this particular Ring app using iOS device. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is, this is my Ring app. Just have a Ring app like this and just press on it, tap and press on it like this, and a series of options will pop up like this: edit home screen, share app, remove app. As you want to delete Ring app, so you go with the remove app option and it will ask you to confirm remove Ring. Removing this home screen will keep the app in your app library. So just go with the delete app option over here and it will ask you to confirm. Deleting this app will also delete its data. So guys, just remember, if you want to delete, everything will be erased. So just go with the delete option like this, and that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. Your account will be deleted, your, let's say, your app will be deleted, guys. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.